Hi, this is Pat Marcello, and today I want to show you how to install a WordPress blog from scratch. There is a simpler way, and that's just to go to Fantastico and let it do the job for you. But some folks don't have Fantastico in their hosting plan. So if they have MySQL databases, then this is the way that you would do it without using Fantastico. So the first thing you want to do is go to WordPress.org. Not .com, WordPress.org. And you'll see on the very front page that says download WordPress 2.6.3. So we're going to click on that, and it takes you to another page. Download WordPress. So we're just going to go over here. We're going to click on this. We're going to save the file to our desktop. Save. And we're going to let it download. I'm going to pause the video while it downloads. I'll be back with you in just a second. Okay, we've got WordPress downloaded, and now we're going to go to my desktop and find it here. Here we go, WordPress, and we're going to extract all the files to the desktop. Okay, all our files are extracted. So the next thing I'm going to do is set up a database in my hosting account. So I host with HostGator, and if you do, this will look familiar, but if you don't, it probably won't. However, that's okay. What we're going to do is scroll down and find the MySQL database wizard, which is cool. You just click on that. And you're going to create a database. So the name of it is going to be Easy Blog Tricks. And the next step is to create a user. So that's usually, for me, admin, and I'm going to type a password in here. Make sure it's a combination of letters and numbers so that your blog can't be hacked. Mine was hacked last year. I lost everything in it, and that really was the pits. Now they match. Okay, next step. Okay, I want all privileges, and the next step, and that's because I'm going to be the administrator of this blog. And we're all done, and our user is added. So we're just going to return home here. Now I have a checklist that will let you do this on your own, and it tells you how to create the database and how to download and save it to your desktop and extract. Now we're going to log into my FTP account for the server where I'm installing the blog. And we're going to put it into easyblogtricks.com. And as you can see, there's nothing in there but the CGI bin. So I'm going to navigate to my desktop, and let me make this a little bit. I'm trying to fit this all into the video, and it's not really that easy. Okay, we're going to find the files in WordPress 2.6.3, which is this here. I'm going to click on that, and again, and you're going to see WP admin, WP content, WP includes, and index. And there's your license and all that. So anything that's in this file here, you're going to transfer, and you can select it all by clicking Control A, which selects it all, and then you're just going to put it right into this subdirectory. And the blog is going to be on its own domain. So while this is working, I'm going to pause the video for just a second. Okay, while that's working, we're going to go back to our desktop, and we're going to open that WordPress file, WordPress folder that we extracted all of our files to, and we're going to find the config, WP config sample, and we're just going to copy it to our desktop. And we're going to rename it WP config. And I'm going to open it in a text editor. Can be Notepad, can be, let me make this smaller so you can see it. I use TextPad, which I love. Now, what you have to do is kind of fill this in up here. If you follow the checklist, you'll see that it's rename, open a text file, replace the DB name with the name of the database that you created in step 1C. So that would be Pat M7 Easy Blog Tricks. Okay, my username we're going to change to admin, and our password is going to be changed, as you can see here, with the password we created. So it will be and we're going to save it. There's nothing else that we need to change. Okay. Then let's go back to our checklist. We're going to upload the WP config file to the main blog folder, and it's going to replace the old one. So we need to find that on our desktop again. Whoops. I have too many files, you can see. Okay, we're going to look for WP config, and here it is right here. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to upload that to here. But this one will upload with all the other files. So they're not done quite yet. I'm going to pause this and let those go ahead and upload. Okay, that seems to be all done. Now, this has taken about 8 minutes, and I have to say that with Fantastico, the whole installation takes about 5. So you can see that this is much more time consuming. Yet some people need to know how to do this, so that's why we're doing it. Okay, now you want to go back to your browser and you want to type in the address of your blog, admin, which is easyblogtricks.com/wp-admin/install PHP. Then you'll push install, and then another link comes up, and what you'll see is success. WordPress has been installed. Were you expecting more steps? Sorry to disappoint. So your username and your password will be below it, but I'm not going to show you that because it's my blog. So okay, then what you want to do is go to easyblogtricks.com/wp-admin. It will ask you to log in, and bingo! Here you are, right inside your new blog. So that's how simple it is. I know people are a little afraid to do it, but with this checklist, it'll be pretty simple. If you don't have Fantastico, but you do have the ability for the MySQL databases, then you can install a WordPress blog from scratch. This is Pat Marcello. I will see you in the next video.